Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients and prepping the rice vermicelli. Measure 100 g dry rice vermicelli and place it in a heatproof bowl. Pour boiling water to cover and soak for 4 minutes, then drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking. While the noodles soak, beat 3 eggs with 1/2 teaspoons salt and 1 tablespoon water until just combined to add silkiness. Chop 1/2 cup scallions, mince 2 cloves garlic, and set out 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon sesame oil for seasoning. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat until very hot, then add 2 tablespoons neutral oil and swirl to coat. High heat gives a slight char and keeps noodles separate. Add minced garlic and stir for 10 seconds, then pour in the beaten eggs and scramble quickly until just set. Remove the eggs to a plate to prevent rubberiness. Add the drained vermicelli, drizzle 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Toss continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. Then fold the scrambled eggs back in and finish with 1/ Plate the egg vermicelli immediately while hot and garnish with extra scallions and a drizzle of 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil for aroma. Serve with lime wedges or chili flakes if you like brightness or heat. To store, cool quickly and refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Reheat in a microwave for about 2 minutes or stir-fry briefly to refresh texture. For variations, fold in 150 g cooked shrimp or 150 g shredded chicken, or toss in 1 cup blanched bok choy for added vegetables and color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.